Hi, Room 30. This is your teacher, Mrs. Owens. We'll be doing a fun activity in class. Today, we'll be making slime. I know that you kids think that slime is just a fun activity, a fun, trendy activity, actually, but it could also be considered a science experiment. All right, let's get started. So, here's an overview of what is slime. So, what is slime? So slime is the creation of slime occurs due to a chemical reaction between two substances that are combined together. In the process, the molecules are rearranged. Once the substances are mixed together, they can no longer be separated. All right, so glue is considered a polymer in the slime making process. Borax, liquid starch, and saline solution are activators. When you mix the two together, they make slime. Slime is something you see right here. All right. So here are the ingredients you will need to make slime. So you will need 4 ounces of washable school glue. You'll need 1/4 cup of liquid starch. All of these options right here are optional. So liquid food coloring, glitter, and shaving cream foam are optional. You don't need it, but it'll make your slime extra cool, All right, so you'll also need a disposable cup or bowl to put the ingredients in. And lastly, you'll need a craft stick to mix the ingredients with, okay? So here's the fun part. How to make the actual slime. So first, you'll need your disposable cups and bowls. You will then pour 4 ounces of glue into it. So with that, I would suggest just eyeballing. You know how much. Well, you don't know how much 4 ounces is. If you really need to, you could grab a measuring cup, but it's not really necessary. Just look at it and see how much you want to make, okay? Now you'll grab your 1/4 cup of liquid starch. Liquid starch can be found in liquid laundry detergent such as Tide. Any other liquid, make sure it's not fabric softener. Make sure it's laundry detergent, okay? Because if it's fabric softener, it will not work, okay? So now you'll gradually pour in the solution into the glue mix. If you pour too fast, then it won't form into slime. It'll be too liquidy. So you need to gradually pour in the solution until it forms a more solid consistency. But it will still be malleable and flexible so that you can stretch and play with, which is the overall goal of this activity, okay? And if you want your slime to be more unique, you could add liquid food coloring or add glitter in it to make inside the slime, okay? You can even add shaving cream foam to make the slime more fluffy. All right, so here's a recap. What did we learn today? So we learned that slime occurs when glue, which is a polymer, is combined together with liquid starch, which is an activator. When you combine the two of them, it causes a chemical reaction, okay? And this forms slime. All right, I hope you guys have fun because I sure did. I usually make slime with my cousins. This is a fun activity that we do. And sometimes I do it on my spare time because I love to play with slime too. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy, okay? Bye-bye.